Okay, we have a Campro vertical machining center model CSP 750i, serial number MVBA-036. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a FANUC OIMC control, side mounted tool changer, Cat 40, 10,000 RPM spindle. What are we running at? 1500 RPM. You can barely hear it. 2000, we're going up. That's 5,500 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Again, it goes up to 10,000. So the machine again has a 32 by 16 inch T-slotted table. That's your Z-axis. So you're doing a tool change. Searching for the tool. And there you go. We will do a second. Okay, so we simulated 2 tool changes. Now, on the X-axis, you have 29.52 inches of travel, you have 16.9 of Y, and you have 18.8 of Z. That's your Y. That's your Z. And that's your X. All axes are very quiet. Besides the FANUC control, you also do have a remote jog handle. Hey, thank you for watching our video.